Welcome to Lucas Invests, making money simple. Hi, before watching the video, click the subscribe button.
You think a house costs $300,000. But here's what really happens in 2026. That house just doubled your monthly payment, and banks are perfectly fine with that. Back in 2021, the average mortgage rate was 3%. If you borrowed $300,000, your monthly payment was just $1,264. Simple, affordable, achievable. Fast forward to 2026. Same $300,000 house, same bank. But now the mortgage rate is 6.5%. Suddenly, that same house costs $2,056 a month. That's $792 more every single month, just to live in the same house. Let me break this down for you. When mortgage rates jump from 3% to 6.5%, you're not just paying a little more. The math gets brutal. On a $300,000 mortgage, at 3% interest, $1,264 per month. At 6.5% interest, $2,056 per month. Difference, $792 per month, more. Over 30 years, that difference compounds to an extra $285,120 you'll pay. For the same house, same roof, same walls. That's not a price increase. That's a wealth transfer from you straight to the bank. Here's where it gets worse. Most people can only afford about 28% of their gross income going to housing. If you make $60,000 a year, $5,000 a month, you can only afford $1,400 per month for housing. That's the maximum banks will approve. At 3% interest, that $1,400 gets you a $330,000 house. You can build wealth. At 6.5% interest, that same $1,400 gets you a $200,000 house. You can't afford anything. The rate environment determines your buying power. And right now, it's destroying it. This isn't just about individual buyers. This breaks the entire housing market. Old homeowners with 3% mortgages are trapped. If they sell and buy again, their new payment triples. So they don't sell. They hold on. New buyers can't afford the prices, so they don't buy. Result? The housing market freezes. Supply dries up. Prices stay inflated. And young people? They're completely locked out. This is the biggest wealth transfer in a generation. From young people to banks. But wait, there's more. The difference isn't just $792 per month. Banks are making $285,120 extra per borrower over 30 years. Multiply that by millions of borrowers. That's trillions of dollars flowing to banks instead of homeowners. Meanwhile, you're struggling with rent. You're delaying marriage. You're putting off kids. You're losing your 20s and 30s because of interest rates. Banks get richer. You get poorer. That's the system designed. If this shocked you, smash subscribe. I'm breaking down how the system traps you every week. The math is simple, but nobody's teaching it. I am.